Theta, USD medium-term support really remained at 92 cents, which certainly is very critical. The kind of current exchanging volume of Theta organization really is at $5,596,390 in a for the most part enormous manner. Theta organization truly is as of now esteemed at 76 cents. Bears control Thetas in every practical sense. Current cost activities in an unobtrusive way. The 9th of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for in every practical sense. 1 week from now and for the most part attempt to answer these habitually basically sought clarification on some pressing issues. What explicitly is somewhat transient cost expectation for Theta organization. Basically is Theta an excellent speculation, which certainly is genuinely critical. Theta organization support and obstruction levels and so on, lovely as opposed to prevalent thinking. In any case, prior to plunging extremely profound into the Theta specialized examination, by and large let us in a real sense discuss the for the most part current economic situations, which truly is genuinely huge. Market investigation over the kind of last 24 hours. There certainly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the genuinely whole digital money market to $1,06973,065,872, which certainly shows that Theta organization by and large is as of now esteemed at 76 cents. Bears control Theta's fundamentally current cost activities, which in every practical sense is genuinely huge. The very all-out exchanging volume generally remains at $25,050,644,957 in a fundamentally large manner. Bitcoin shares 46.63% of the entry market, while Ethereum by and large has a strength of 16.33%, or so they really thought, which really brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%, exhibiting that market examination over the last 24 hours. There certainly was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the sort of whole digital money market to $1,06973,065,872, which basically shows that Theta organization in every practical sense is as of now esteemed at 76 cents. Bears control Thetas for the most part current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. Various elective digital currencies. As ETHEREUM explicitly has seen a value reduction of 0.41% coming to $1,847.07 during the past 24 hours, or so they sort of thought. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $262.39, following a value change of 1.18% within a similar time period, really as opposed to mainstream thinking. XRP, the local coin of XRP, really is up by 1.93 and as of now exchanging at 53 cents. So Theta organization support and opposition levels and so on and in every practical sense. Huge way. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem. Especially further appearance how the very current exchanging volume of Theta organization especially is at $5,596,390. These occasions basically demonstrate that the market in every practical sense is going in a really descending bearing for kind of present moment. So THETA, USD medium-term support in every practical sense, remained at 92 cents, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Right now, a genuinely broad, genuinely regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in an unpretentious manner. Theta organization backing and opposition backing and obstruction sort of are significant specialized markers used to recognize genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which especially is genuinely huge. Support by and large is a level at which purchasers generally become substantially more exceptionally dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they generally thought. Similarly, obstruction certainly is a level at which vendors sort of become moved truly dynamic and in a real sense prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, which most certainly shows that Theta organization support and opposition levels and so forth in an exceptionally significant manner. Following truly are the help and opposition levels of Theta organization. Theta organization execution. The cost of Theta organization especially is at 76 cents, down 0.99% in the genuinely beyond 24 hours and by and large has a value change of 10.3% throughout the week. Most certainly further appearance how which basically brought about Bitcoin cost dropping down to $26,608.34 level after a decay of 0%, exhibiting that market examination over the very last 24 hours. There in a real sense was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the especially whole cryptographic money market to $1,106,973,065,872, which truly shows that Theta organization by and large is as of now esteemed at 76 cents. Bears control Theta's genuinely current cost activities, sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC by and large is $5,596,390.00 while in every way that really matters. All-out market cap came to $763,760,411 USD, which essentially is very huge. There sort of are very nearly 1 billion most certainly are available for use out of 1 billion in an unpretentious manner. Theta Organization Value Examination Theta Cost Examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a genuinely everyday time span truly made sense of beneath incredibly. We utilize sort of relative strength index, moving truly normal combination and uniqueness, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including kind of straightforward moving pretty normal and remarkable moving in every practical sense. Normal to especially dissect the future development of the Theta organization, exhibiting how the 9th of June 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through Theta organization cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now and generally attempt to answer these regularly truly clarified issues. What generally is somewhat momentary cost expectation for Theta organization truly is Theta an excellent interest in an unpretentious manner. The Theta USD moving genuinely normal combination and disparity marker basically is showing in every practical sense. Transient sort of sell sort of sign as the MACD line truly is moving underneath truly signal line, which basically implies in a real sense bears for the most part are overwhelming on the lookout, exhibiting how right now a general truly bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market in a very large manner. RSI suggesting oversold stage while exchanging at 29 and truly is attempting to in every practical sense break out of the negative zone while featuring monstrous negative strength. So market examination over the truly last 24 hours. There for the most part was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the really whole cryptographic money market to $1,106,973,065,872, which generally shows that Theta organization sort of is as of now esteemed at 76 cents. Bears control Theta's sort of current cost activity, or so they in a real sense thought. The Theta organization fundamentally has sort of break all its basically upholds levels and things in every practical sense are not looking especially great for the crypto market, showing that these occasions truly demonstrate that the market in a real sense is going in a descending course for commonly present moment. So Theta USD medium-term support most certainly remained at 92 cents in an unobtrusive manner. Presently, certainly bears generally are in charge of the market and effectively for the most part take Theta cost underneath the essential help level of 96 cents, exhibiting how Theta organization value examination Theta cost examination for the 9th of June 2023 inside a kind of day-to-day time period generally made sense of beneath, which really is very critical. While Theta's Williams %R pointer truly is at 53.763 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition, a exchange in every practical sense.